Yes, welcome back. Welcome back, viewers and listeners all over the world. Yes. When I first got on Facebook, I like chatting with my friends. When I finally got on Facebook, I like chatting with my friends. Facebook can write a lot of LOL. Facebook can write a lot of LOL. Wait a minute. What is the L is LOL? What the hell is LOL? Then I freak out and I ask my friend Cody from Kansas. He said, Tony Ajayi, don't freak out. LOL is laughing out loud. He said, Tony Ajayi, don't freak out. LOL is laughing out loud. Oh well, that's all I know to do from Africa. Oh well, that's all I know to do from ijebu-iloti in Africa. Laughing out loud. Yo, yo, Facebookers, let's laugh out loud. Yo, yo, Facebookers, laughing out loud. Laughing out loud, laughing out loud. Facebooker, let's laugh out loud. Thank you.